Here's how to hide shoelaces like a pro. First of all, you want to make sure your lace is going down into your eyelets from above instead of coming up through them from underneath for these. Here's the first way: undo your shoelaces and simply tuck them down inside of your sneakers. Now, this is a really fast way to hide your shoelaces, but it isn't the best because it can be a little bit loose and they can fall off, but it's quick. If you don't want to do that, here's another way. Undo your shoelaces, and what we're going to do is take one of the lace ends up through the empty eyelet at the top from underneath this time and pull it through about this much. Don't worry about the excess lace, put that out the way for now. Then swap to the other one, and we're going to do the same on the other side. Bring the lace end up through the eyelet about that much. Then we can take a hold of these excess laces and simply tuck them behind the sneaker tongue out of the way. And that means you can slip your sneakers on and off each time without the need for tying them up. And these hold in place a little bit better than just tucking your shoelaces down the side. But if you don't like the look of the little laces hanging out, here's the third method, and this is my favorite. It's tying a lace bow behind the sneaker tongue and tucking it out of sight. Here's how to do that. Tie a lace bow as normal, but make it a little bit looser so it has some slack to go behind the sneaker tongue. Then just simply tuck it out of the way. And you won't need to tie this up each time, you'll just be able to slip your feet in and out and it'll hold. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button to help it reach more people and consider subscribing for sneaker lacing and shoelacing content. Thanks a lot, guys.